Okay, let's let them see our response. First question. Isela, you spoke so much about operations and maintenance. In addition to the maintenance costs for existing facilities, we should invest in X and Y. Pick two. You just press two numbers, or remember the last two that you selected, and here's your menu. 1, automobile mobility. 2, intercity trains. 3, streetcars, which including that trolleys and bus rapid transit. 4, bicycle facilities. 5, walkable streets and compact development. You can pick 2 on that list. The poll is open. 5 seconds. Look at that. The transportation land use connection. Okay. Next. We have a few things going on that are still going on all day. If you haven't stopped at that big gigantic map that's behind that wall, by the end of the day, be sure you do. Take a look at it, leave some suggestions on it, put a Post-it note on it, ask somebody to draw something for you, do a sketch, write a prose poem, leave something on that big mural that we worked on all day. Next. Some of you may have missed the announcement early in the day. Right behind that wall, and you can enter it from either set of doors, we have 2 video kiosks set up which are recording the 60-second spots where you can speak about what you think is the greatest threat or what you think is the biggest opportunity. So be sure you record that before you leave today. Next. And now, we passed out little cards again and asked you to describe in just the minimum number of words what you think is the biggest threat to our region's future. And then the follow-up question asks, off screen here, says, I think the solution is blank. And we actually took the first 150 responses that we got from you this morning and we put them into a word cloud. And the way that works is the words that show up the biggest are the ones that were reported the most often and among the many responses. And so you see climate change and traffic are the 2 biggest topics here, biggest threat. And then your responses regarding the solution are seen here. Education is big, public transit big, and obviously mass transit and public transit together by far above all of the other options. Next. Marcella will repeat this at the end when we discuss the next steps, but I want you to go ahead and mark your calendars for Wednesday, June 26th. That's the date selected for our 3rd summit where we come back to scrutinize the draft alternative future. The location is not final, so that's tentative, but watch your email, watch the Facebook page, or watch 750.org for the details. Go ahead and get that date saved in your calendars now.